Imagine building an entire city from scratch, or drilling the world's longest railway tunnel beneath an active mountain range. These aren't science fiction. They're happening right now. Across the globe, engineers are tackling some of the most ambitious construction projects ever attempted. From futuristic cities to revolutionary transport systems, these projects will reshape how we live for decades to come. Today, we're counting down 15 engineering marvels that are changing our world. Welcome to Engineering Solutions TV. Let's begin. Number 15, Singapore Tuas Megaport. Imagine a port capable of handling over 65 million containers every year. It is becoming the largest fully automated container port ever constructed. Instead of traditional cranes, autonomous electric vehicles move containers, while AI manages thousands of daily operations. It's about creating one of the smartest ports on Earth. Number 14, Chuo Shinkansen Maglev. Japan is once again redefining rail travel with magnetic levitation technology, allowing trains to travel at speeds of over 500 kilometers per hour. Passengers will travel from Tokyo to Nagoya in around 40 minutes. Nearly 90% of the route runs underground, requiring some of the most complex tunneling ever attempted. Number 13, Brenner Base Tunnel. Running beneath the Alps, this will become the world's longest underground railway tunnel, stretching approximately 64 kilometers. By moving millions of tons of freight from road to rail, the tunnel will transform transport between northern and southern Europe, dramatically reducing emissions. Number 12, Hinkley Point C Nuclear Power Station in the UK. And number 11, the Fehmarn Belt Fixed Link, the world's longest immersed tunnel connecting Denmark and Germany. Number 10 is the California High-Speed Rail Project, aiming to link San Francisco to LA. And number 9, the Sydney Metro, Australia's biggest public transport project. Number 8, the ITER fusion reactor in France, exploring the future of clean energy. And number 7, the Gordie Howe International Bridge between Windsor and Detroit. Number 6 is India's Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link, and number 5, the bold and controversial NEOM project in Saudi Arabia, a vision of the future in the desert. Number 4, China's staggering high-speed rail expansion, and number 3, the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam, set to double Ethiopia's electricity output. Number 2, Dubai Creek Harbor. Centered around a tower designed to surpass even the Burj Khalifa, this project aims to redefine the iconic Dubai skyline once again. And number 1, The Line. A proposed linear city in Saudi Arabia stretching 170 kilometers, designed to house 9 million people with 0 cars and 0 emissions. Engineering has always shaped civilization. These projects represent entirely new ways of generating energy and designing cities. Which project amazed you the most? Tell us in the comments. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to subscribe to Engineering Solutions TV. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.